Alright. Ran pretty nice again. I had to spend a lot of time adjusting it. That needle valve is really sensitive, it seems, to the throttle position. So I'm not sure if I'll want to tear the carburetor apart and take a look at that to figure out if there's a way I can refine the carburetor a bit, just like the ET8 has that issue. But it went 45 minutes or so, ran real nice. I'm pretty happy with the steering adjustments I made. There's a couple other steering things that I might adjust, but I don't really know how I do that, so I'm just leaving it as is. But the clutch and gearbox are working great, and it's a nice, fun little engine to run on the toy tractor here. So, yeah. Major improvement is I did get, on the other engines, I have the spring on the spark plug boot. I think they're, to hold it in place, I grabbed one of those to put on this boot so it holds tight and keeps the wire next to the plug. Because before, when I was adjusting it, I was getting light shocks as I adjusted the needle occasionally. And now with the wire close to the plug, that'll help make sure it's sparking in the engine instead of arcing outside. So, yeah, it's a nice little toy and a lot of fun today.